Ngokusho kwe-Action SA, uTolashe wabuzwa ngonyaka owedlule ngalolu daba, kodwa-ke wasengezimithiyo. Wathi lezi moto zabe ziyisipho se-ANC Women's League. Kodwa-ke uphiko lwabesifazane likaKhongolose nopholo phezulu beqembu buyaziphika lezi moto. Kwatholakala ukuthi lezi moto zibhaliswe ngezingane zakhe.
We've written a question last year in December. Like I said earlier on, she did not respond to that question in December. In February again, we posed the exact same question, to which she responded saying that the vehicles was, as a result, was a donation to the ANC. The ANC denies having any knowledge of these vehicles.
Ilungu le-Action SA ePhalamende uDallin James unikele enkantolo namhlanje eyovula icala lokudukisa iPhalamende.
From the lies that the minister has been telling Parliament. It stems from the fact that she has basically failed, to disclose what is in the best interest of South Africans. That is where it stems from. It stems from the fact that our communities are being neglected and we have an unethical minister in a position.
I-Action SA ithi uma isuka lapha izodlulisela nakumvikeli womphakathi lolu daba kanye nasekomidini eliqondisa izigwegwe ePhalamende.
Also, we're going to pursue the matter with the public protector. We are also going to pursue the matter today with the ethics committee. Those are the 3 steps that we'll be taking.
Leli qembu libhalele umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa incwadi limcela ukuba axoshe ungqongqoshe uTolashe. Lithi ukusuka manje lizothumela bonke ubufakazi bokuthi kungani kumele axoshwe uTolashe. uTolashe ubengakaze aphendule ngalezi insolo ezibhekiswe kuye.